Though the worst of Typhoon Maria was over on Taiwan by Wednesday morning, parts of the island continued to see high winds and heavy rain. Meanwhile, the storm had also moved on to threaten the outlying Mazu Islands. With the danger of the storm not yet over, the Central Disaster Emergency Operations Center held a meeting to take stock of the situation. The meeting included a video conference with the county head in charge of the Mazu Islands. Most damage in the islands has been confined to falling trees and signs. 200 households have lost power and are waiting for the Taiwan Power Company to complete repairs. The meeting also turned to damage left in the storm's wake on Taiwan. The storm resulted in 2 injuries and left 47,000 households without power. Power is expected to be restored to the last of these homes before midnight. During the meeting, Interior Minister Ye Junrong called on local governments to stay up to date on any flooding or landslides and to wait until it is safe to send evacuees home. Despite the damage, Typhoon Maria has helped to raise water levels in reservoirs. The Interior Minister said that between Tuesday and Wednesday, rainfall had brought levels in Taoyuan's Sherman Reservoir up from 48% to 56% of capacity. John Van Trieste, RTI News.